Think you might be suffering from burnout? Break free of burnout. First steps towards recovery. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Jessica Louie, and I help burned out pharmacists and healthcare professionals reset their lives, stop people pleasing, clear the clutter from their life, and let go of this lie called work-life balance. I'm so excited for you to be here today. We're talking about if we have burnout, what are we going to do to start resetting it? The first steps to recovery. Now, if you want all my steps to recovering from burnout and bashing the myths of burnout, make sure you click the workshop links below so you can get the resources you need to help reset your own life. Let's talk about step number one. The step number one of recovering from burnout is acknowledging that you're suffering from it. Yes, it is really that simple. And a lot of times we want to push it aside. We don't want to admit that we have this prolonged chronic stress in our life that it's now turned into burnout. And we are not a failure at getting to this stage. Let's acknowledge that we're in this stage. Let's stop telling ourselves that we're in survival mode, that it's normal to feel burned out and we're just like everyone else. Let's start picking ourselves back up and acknowledging it. And if you're like me, you might have to hit rock bottom in order to realize that you need a change in your life. You need to address the burnout head on, and that's okay. I want you to start acknowledging it in your own life. Step number two, let's bash the stigma around burnout. Now, I know that we have this negative connotation towards mental health and burnout and well-being, and we can change that perspective. We can change that movement as healthcare professionals. And I know that you may be fearful of bashing this stigma because you were trained to be strong people, high performers, high achievers. People in healthcare don't admit their weaknesses. But let's be real. We are human beings first. Yes, I said we are human beings first. So start talking about it with someone that you trust. A trusted colleague, a trusted healthcare professional, a trusted coach, so that you can start bashing the stigma around burnout and start getting the help that you need to change how you feel and how you live your life. Now, if you're a healthcare professional like me and our pharmacist oath does not include a statement on this, we can include a statement on this for ourselves, right? We are human beings first. And if we do not take care of ourselves, we're not able to take care of other people. It's the same philosophy as the airplane example of you put your mask on first before you help your child or loved one. We need to put our mask on first and help ourselves. Maybe you need to add in a statement for yourself of, I'm going to attend to my own well-being and my health to provide the highest level of care to my patients. Because when we're not taking care of ourselves, we're not going to be at the highest level to take care of our patients, to be there for our colleagues and our team members, and of course, our loved ones and families. So these are the first steps back to recovering from burnout. There's so many more things we can start resetting. Small steps, baby steps at first. Be sure to click the workshops and resources below so that you can get the help that you need towards your path to resetting pharmacist and healthcare burnout, my friend. Make sure you're watching these videos on burnout as well. And until next time, spark joy, my friends.